Hello, good morning students. Now today we will start with self-practice 9C. In self-practice 9C, what is there? You should know the property of corresponding angles. Okay, we should know the property of corresponding angles. So first of all, what is corresponding angles? If a transversal cuts two parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. What does it mean? If transversal cut two parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. Now we can see this with some example. Okay, we can see this with an example. You see the example here. A line means it is transversal M cuts two parallel lines P and Q. A line transversal M cuts two parallel lines P and Q. Okay. So you see, this is two lines P and Q, and here one line, this is M. It is cutting transversely to each other. Now see here, this is given as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now second part is what? You have to find the values. So what you know? Angle A is given, suppose, as 65 degree. So which are the corresponding angles? So you can see here, angle A is corresponding to angle F. It will be also 65 degree. Correct? Now, angle C equal to angle A because it is vertically opposite angle. Okay, VOA, vertically opposite angle. It means that angle C is also equal to 65 degree. Correct? So, angle C is equal to angle H, that is 65 degree. Correct? So how many you got? A, F, C, H. Now, angle H is equal to angle F because it is vertically opposite angle. Okay, but both you are knowing, so no need. Or angle H is angle H plus angle E is equal to 180 degree, as both are on straight line. Both are on straight line. What you have got? Angle H plus angle E is equal to 180 degree because both are on straight line, means 65 degree plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. The angle E is equal to how much? 180 minus 65, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 6, 1, 115 degree. Okay? So means angle E is equal to 115 degree. Now, angle E is equal to angle B, corresponding angle. So means angle B is equal to 115 degree. Angle D is equal to angle D, means vertically opposite angle. And angle D is equal to how much? 115 degree. Okay. Now, angle D is equal to angle G because of corresponding angle, see which are the things you haven't found. A you got, B you got, C got, D you got, E you got, F, G and H. All the values you have got. So if you know one angle, all angles you can find by this method. Okay. So these are about the corresponding angle. How many angles you have to? Corresponding angle and vertically opposite angle. And when the angles are lying on the same line, then their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Now let's solve the exercise of it. First question. Using property of corresponding angle, find each of the letters angles giving results. Using property of corresponding angles, find each of the letter angles giving reason. You see, this is 125 degree. So here what will be the value of A? The value of A will be equal to 125 degree. Why? Because it is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal to each other. Is it? Now see the B one. This is your A. This is your 40 degree, this is your B, and this one is your 50 degree. You see, just one thing you do, you just don't see this part. A and 40, both are corresponding to each other. Now just remove this line, see this and this. So B will be also corresponding to 50 degree. So A is equal to 40 degree corresponding angle, and B is equal to 50 degree corresponding angle. Okay? Just remove one line, that will be more clear to you. Now see the C part. Here this is D, this is C, this is A, this is B. Here A, this is equal to 105 degree. It is B. Now see here, there are two parallels, pair of parallels. So you can say that AD is parallel to BC and BC is parallel to AB. Correct? So here you see B is corresponding 100 is there? Using the properties of adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle and corresponding angle, fill in the size of each angle in the diagram. What you have to form? You have to find with the help of adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle and corresponding angle. Okay? So, see A part. You see, this and this are the two parallel lines and this is one transversal line. Okay? This is 1, this is 50 degree. So this is 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here you see angle 1 plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree because it is adjacent angle. Okay. The angle 1 will be how much? 130 degree. Okay. Angle 1 will be 130 degree because it is on the straight line. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3, that is 130 degree vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 50 degree vertically opposite angle. Okay. So angle 1 is 130 degree, angle 2 is 50 degree, angle 3 is 130 degree, angle 4 is equal to 50 degree corresponding angle. Okay. And angle 5 is equal to angle 1, that is 130 degree corresponding angles. Okay. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6, that is 50 degree vertical opposite angle. And angle 5 is equal to angle 7, that is 130 degree vertically opposite angle. Okay. So here you can see 1, 3 is vertically opposite, 2 and 50 is vertically opposite. So 1, 3 value will be same, 2 and 50 will be same. 50 and 4 corresponding angle, 1 and 5 corresponding angles, 2 and 6 corresponding, 3 and 7 corresponding. And in this way we can find the value of all angles of this part. Correct? Now see the B part. B part of it. B part. One 110 degree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see question 2B part. Here 1 is given 110 degree. So this 110 degrees will be equal to angle 3 because it is vertically opposite angle. Same way, angle 110 will be equal to angle 5 because it is corresponding angle. Angle 5 will be angle 7 because it is vertically opposite angle. So these angle 3, 110, 5 and 7 are 110 degree. 110 and angle 2 is adjacent angle. So angle 2 will be 70 degree because 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Angle 2 and angle 1 will be 70 degree because it is vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4 because it is corresponding angle, and angle 4 will be equal to angle 6 means it is vertically opposite angle. Okay students, now see the C part, you see this way it is. This is 135 degree. Okay. This is 120 degree. This is B and this one is here A. Okay. Now here which are the parallel ones? It is not being shown. So here how you will find? So you have to use only three things: adjacent angle. So I suppose this is your 1 and this one is your 2. You just suppose. So 135 degree plus angle 1 will be equal to 180 degree because of adjacent angle. Okay. Angle 1 will be how much? 180 minus 135 degree, that is angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. So means angle A is equal to angle 1, that is 45 degree, and it is corresponding angle. Okay, corresponding angle. Okay, 135 degree, this I suppose it as angle 1, it will be equal to 180 degree, angle 1 will be 180 minus 135 degree, which is 45 degree, and angle A will be equal to 45 degree. Now same way you see 120 degree, I suppose second one is angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, angle 2 will be 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So angle 2 is 60 degree and angle B will be equal to angle 2, that is 60 degree, because both are corresponding angles. Both are corresponding angles, angle 2 and angle B. Okay. Now see B part of it. D part. So what is there in D part? You will see this is D, this one is a 40 degree, this is A, and this one is a 50 degree. Okay, this is parallel to this one. Okay. Now what you can see, you may see these are the two transversal lines. So you are having this one, so I am giving it as 1. Okay, this is 50, so it will be 50 only. So you can see 40 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree because of I am taking this one as 1. Okay, 40 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree because of co-integral I can take. Angle 1 will be how much? 180 degree minus 40 degree, that means angle 1 is equal to 130 degree, and angle 1 is equal to angle B is equal to 130 degree. Because it is vertically opposite angle. Okay, angle 1 will be because it is vertically opposite angle. Angle A is equal to, angle A is equal to this one I will take 2, angle A plus angle 2. You may take it directly. Angle A is equal to 50 degree because it is alternate degree. Okay. equal to 50 degree because it is alternate angle. Okay. Now see the E part. E part. A, E, D, F, B, C, 49 degree and 75 degree. Okay, and you are having this one and this one as parallel. Okay, now these two lines are parallel, so one line will transversal this one. So just find here, as it is 75 degree, so what will be E? E will be also 75 degree. Angle E is equal to 75 degree because of corresponding angles. Okay, it will be 75 degree only. E. Okay, angle E is equal to angle B because E and B are vertically opposite angle. 75 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. E and B. Okay. Isn't? Now, which one you want? A, C. So you can see this. This is 75 degree. This one is 49 degree, and this is parallel here. So angle A. Angle A is equal to 49 degree because it is corresponding angle. And angle A is equal to angle F because it is angle A is equal to angle F 49 degree because it is vertically opposite angles. Okay. Okay. And now which are the angles we have to find? C and D. So angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because they are on a straight line. Okay. So how much is angle A? Angle A we have found 49 degree. Angle C we don't know, and angle B that is 7. Angle D is 75 degree. 180 degree. The angle C will be how much? 180 minus 124 degree. The angle C is equal to 7 minus 56 degree. And angle C is equal to angle D, that is 56 degree, vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now see once more, angle E is 75 degree. E and B are equal because both are vertically opposite angle. Angle A is 49 degree because it is corresponding angles. A and F are equal because it is vertically opposite angles. A, C and B, they are on a straight line. They will be equal to 180 degree. So angle C will be 156 degree, and C and D are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal to 56 degree. Okay, students. Now the last part of this question, question number F. Part F. Now see here, you have to find here which angles? P. Okay. So you know that if you draw a small line, so this will be also equal to 145 degree, and here this will be also equal to 138 degree. Okay. So you now name it as 1, or you would say angle 1 even, angle 1 is equal to 145 degree. This is this one, and this you take it as 2, 145 degree, and angle 2 is equal to 138 degree, because both are corresponding angles. Okay, both are corresponding. It is corresponding to B angle 2, and angle 1 is corresponding to 145 degree. So what will be angle P? What will be your angle P? Angle P is equal to, as it is in a circle, 360 degree minus 145 degree minus 138 degree. Angle P is equal to 360 minus 283 degree, and angle P is equal to 77 degree. Okay, how much it will be? 77 degree. The angle P is equal to 77 degree. Is it? Is it clear to you? So what will be the value of P? 77 degree. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you students.